Hello all, this is Charishma Gogineni.
Hi, this is Ganapati Kalyan.
Today we'll be demonstrating our first Python group project of CS384 course. This project is a mark sheet generator with web-based user interface, and it generates mark sheets of a quiz based on the responses entered by the user. So let's quickly dive into the demonstration.
So this is the main project folder. This is the main Python file, and on executing this, the interface will be up, running on the local machine, and it can be viewed by going to the link. Here it is running on the local host. This is the mark sheet generator. It has an option to choose the master role CSV, where the name and roll number of the enrolled candidate will be there, and the responses of a quiz. Here we need to enter the marks for correct answer and wrong answer. As of now, we are entering it randomly as 5 and minus 3. On selecting yes for the generate roll number wise mark sheet, emails will be sent to the students directly. Here the concise mark sheet will be sent to the given email. So first let's have a look at the files uploaded. The master role CSV has the roll number and names of the candidates enrolled in the course, and the responses.csv has the responses of the candidates for a given quiz. This row corresponds to the correct answers of the quiz, and the remaining goes for the candidates. Let's submit this.
On clicking the submit button, you can see that the data is being processed and we'll soon get a response page. So here's the response page and it says that the mails have been sent. So let's have a look at the mails that were generated. So this is the account from which the mails have been sent to different candidates. Let's get a better view of what files have been sent through this mail. So these were the files generated by our project. The first one is a detailed mark sheet. Let's open it and check the responses. So this is the file that has been generated, and as you can see, it has the details of the student and there's an attendance column. It also contains the number of right questions that the student has attempted, number of questions he or she got wrong, and then the total marks obtained by the student. Below you can see the answers opted by the student and the correct answers. And hence we can match and get verified the answers. So this is the mark sheet for the candidate who was absent. As you can see, there is an absent in the attendance field and hence the mark sheet is blank. Here you can see the compiled data of the students who have submitted their responses in the quiz. Here you can see the Python code that we have used to develop the project. And the main libraries that we have used are, first is Flask, that is used to integrate the backend and frontend. Then we have used OpenPyXL to manipulate the data in Excel sheets. Then we have used SMTP library to send emails. And the frontend we have developed using HTML and CSS. These are the codes for the frontend.
So this brings us to the end of our project demonstration. Thank you.
Thank you.